Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shop. Looking for the best coffee machine in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 coffee machine 2023. In this best coffee machine review video, we will show you 5 top rated coffee machine to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best coffee machine. We made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. Biolo Mix 3-in-1 Espresso Coffee Machine 19 bar 145 OW Multiple Capsule Coffee Maker Fit Nespresso, Dolce Gusto and Coffee Powder. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Link on description. Check the description link for full product information and price. Number 4. Life Espresso Italian Coffee Maker Capsule Coffee Machine Hotel Single Cup Drip Coffee Maker Italian Coffee Cafeteras Cafe. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Link on description. Number 3. Check description below for product link. Mi Capsule Coffee Machine Fully Automatic Home Portable Italian American Concentrated 1 Key Extraction. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Link on description. Number 2. Cikuso 20 bar electric coffee machine top preheating home small semi-automatic high pressure steam milk foam office cappuccino. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Link on description. Number 1. (220 to 240 volts CM6863 Coffee Maker Espresso Maker Semi-Automatic Pump Type Cappuccino Milk Bubble Maker Home Italian Coffee Machine. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Link on description. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.